I'm Kate Tagara, and today I'm going to show you my handmade cell model. This is my animal cell model. And this is my plant cell model. For now, I'm going to discuss only the plant cell model from its various parts and its functions. Plant cells are the basic unit of life in organisms of the kingdom Plantae. They are eukaryotic cells which have a true nucleus along with specialized structures called organelles that carry out different functions. The cell wall is a rigid structure made of cellulose that provides strength and structural support to the cell. It is also permeable, which allows fluid to move through it freely. The cell membrane is what separates the cell from the environment. It allows for selective inflow and outflow of water and other molecules and compounds. The cytoplasm is everything within the confines of the cell membrane, including all organelles, proteins, and other structures. Large central vacuole that is used for storage, but it also plays a large role in plant shape and stability. It gives plants turgor pressure. Golgi apparatus is the packaging and shipping center of the cell, which modifies molecules and proteins, and send them in vesicles to be shipped out of the cell. Ribosomes are small structures throughout the cell made up of proteins and RNA. They are responsible for translating RNA into proteins for use in and out of the cell. They are found freely floating in the cell or bound to the endoplasmic reticulum. RAF-ER aids in the production and storage of proteins that are made on the ribosomes attached to it. Proteins made in the RAF-ER and sent to that Golgi apparatus. Smooth ER does not contain ribosomes, and it is involved with the production of lipids and aids in detoxification. The nucleus is the center of the cell where the DNA is stored and protected. The DNA is read by special proteins and transcribed into RNA to be translated into proteins. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, where cells and organisms get the energy to function. It is the main producer of ATP, the energy currency of the cell. Chloroplasts convert energy from sunlight and use it to form basic carbohydrate compounds. This is really the source of usable energy for nearly all living organisms. Lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelle that contains digestive enzymes. It is involved with various cell processes. They break down excess or worn-out cell parts. They may be used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria. Intermediate filaments is to provide mechanical support for the plasma membrane, where it comes into contact with other cells or with extracellular matrix. For me, the difference between animal and plant cell is that animal cell don't have chloroplast, which means it can undergo photosynthesis and can produce its own food. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Janet!